Local storage is a liability. If your laptop crashes, gets stolen, or decides to force a Windows update mid-sentence, every document saved to your local hard drive is gone. You need redundancy, and you need it to happen automatically. You are watching WebTool Zone. Today, we are completely bypassing your local hard drive. We are going to integrate WPS Office directly with Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive, so that every time you hit save, your file is instantly uploaded to the cloud. Here is the three-step integration. Open any document inside WPS Office. Do not hit the standard Save button. Instead, click Menu in the top left corner, then click Save As. On the left-hand navigation pane, look right below your standard PC folders. You will see an option labeled Add Cloud Storage. Click it. A grid of supported cloud providers will appear. Click on Google Drive, or whichever cloud tool you prefer. A secure browser window will pop up, prompting you to log in to your Google account. Enter your credentials, then click Allow to grant WPS Office permission to route files directly to your cloud folders. The handshake is done. Close the browser and go back to WPS Office. Now, look at your Save As menu again. Google Drive is permanently mounted as a native folder directly inside your software. You don't have to open your web browser, drag and drop files, or manually upload anything ever again. Just click your Google Drive folder, name your document, and hit Save. It syncs globally across all your devices in milliseconds. Your documents are now bulletproof and accessible from anywhere. But there is a catch. Saving directly to the cloud is flawless until you try to save a massive, image-heavy PDF that instantly eats up your Google Drive's free storage limit. Cloud space is expensive, and uploading unoptimized files is a massive waste of resources. Click the video on your screen right now titled How to Compress PDF Files for Free in WPS PDF. I'm going to show you the exact built-in tool you need to crush massive file sizes down by 80% without losing a single pixel of visual quality. Click right there to optimize your storage. Make sure you are subscribed to WebTool Zone, and I'll see you over in that tutorial.